The IT and Fancy Cat Show.
Yeah, seriousness vibes done. This is about laughter and fun. No malice or meanness, just joke we run. Notice, put down or offenses intended. Light heart and open mind highly recommended. Hashtag laughing time.
Come for the people that partner money. David! You don't know why every week me have to go through the same thing. Every week me have to go through this. Eh? Every week me have to go through this. Debbie! Debbie! Every week we must go through this. Every week must go through this.
Keisha, go and go look at what's
Every blessed week.
Don't go out there, just speak to the window.
But come for the people that partner money. Debbie! Aye! Debbie!
Money to partner woman.
She said, me can't deal with she and you. Go tell her, say me not your bond.
Keisha, where your mother there?
Mom, someone still says she's not here.
Oh, she means she's not here. Tell her me say them people that partner money. Right now. Go tell your mother.
Keisha!
Look here.
Come inside, man. You can't even deliver a proper message.
Where you say come to me say that
No,
there?
me tell her, tell you something doing me here.
Give the people that money. Look here.
That's somewhere you go and some, and you soon get your money. To them, you go a Western transfer, go collect the money and give you.
Actually, you can't never come up with the people that money.
But to them, I get the
Tell
money.
me
To me, I
phone
do
now.
me here, man. Later, fried money no enough. Later, man.
Make sure you know.
Yes.
Make sure you hear me tell you.
Yes, Blossom. No, man, Barry, man. You told me that last week. I need the money now. Me under a lot of pressure now. Back to school time now. I have to send something. What? I can't wait till next week. So I can understand. No, you have to send something. Yeah, just send whatever you have. $100 to one now, you know. So you know, say foreign money no. Alright. Yeah. So, now I'll call the taxi man to come up at the place now, yeah? Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Alright, you better send it. New hair, new shoes, new suit. Back to school shopping can't wait till next week. At girl time. Driver, I'm soon come back here. I'm going to collect the money.
You can't rob me. Me, how are you?
$2,000?
Did you want more out of 20, right?
Driver, how much for carry me from Portmore?
A $2,000.
But a $2,000 I have, but I'm going to go back over.
I walk careful. Give me this. You think you can go around me like chicken boss?
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Could you help me just put these in the trunk of the car, please? You can help me put this in the car, please? In this car. Just help me put these in the car. Could you just put these? Yes. Let's put it in the car. Come on. Never mind. Just put it. Come here. Just lift up the trunk for me. Come here, come here now. You're on the ATL Fancy Cat Show. You're on the ATL Fancy Cat Show.
No, stop. You can't think like that.
You're on the IT and Fancy Cat show.
Alright, thanks for watching. This is IT.
And that's the John Fancy Cat.
You want to see more? Where you go?
No, do that because I realize I'm going to watch the video.
Yeah.
But not much comment.
Yes.
So they need to comment.
Yes.
And share some more.
And subscribe. Tell a friend to subscribe.
Yeah. You see
Alright.
me?
Thanks for watching IT.
Fancy Cat.